Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and welcome to my laundry area. My laundry area has just become a lot more organized and elegant looking thanks to this awesome set from Sunday Revelry. I really love that this set has eliminated the clunky laundry bottles that I've had to deal with on my counter for years. If you have a small area, these bottles are perfect. You get with this kit two 33-ounce glass bottles as well as a spray bottle that will help you to be able to really keep your laundry area tidy and really pretty looking as well. Each of the glass bottles have a silicone base that you can place on the bottom. And these glass bottles are durable and heavy-duty feeling. The silicone bottoms really prevent them from slipping or from falling over, and they keep everything nice and tidy and in place. Now, as far as the laundry bottles themselves, although they are smaller, you really can pack a lot of punch in with just a small amount of detergent thanks to the pump that's at the top. Or you can just remove the top and pour some in if you need to. I love that they included beautiful labels so that I can make this set completely my own. You can use the pre-printed ones or make your own so that the set really has your signature style on it. Whatever you decide to choose to use it for, you're gonna really love that you don't have to worry about those clunky bottles around. You can keep everything nice and neat. Also using less detergent, less cost, and less chemicals so that you can have a beautiful laundry experience. And that's my point of view.